Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taisha. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I wanted to do my makeup with you guys and test out a bunch of new makeup. So I'm testing out the new Morphe foundation. I got in so many requests to test this out and give you guys my shade. So if you guys been waiting for that, here is this video. And then I'm also testing out the whole new collection by Beauty Creations x the Murillo twins. Yeah, that being said, if you guys want to see some amazing affordable makeup products, then keep on watching. This collection, it's honestly so pretty. I am so excited to be testing it out. I already used the shadow yesterday because I wanted to test out this makeup look. I have this like denim shirt that I just got and I want to do like a denim inspired makeup look, but everything you guys from this collection gets me like Kylie or KKW vibes, but a lot more affordable, and it's made by some beautiful Latinas, so you guys know I had to support them. So I picked up this palette right here. This is what the packaging looks like, and then it has a mirror, and then it also has the names, and I like how you can like fold this all the way over here. So really pretty colors. So I'm gonna start by taking the color Let Me Live, which is this really pretty like brown shade, and I'm gonna go in with my BH number 6 brush. So I'm just gonna get this, tap excess, and just apply it here on the crease with a large fluffy brush. I want it to look really like blended and smoky. I feel like I never done like a denim inspired makeup look, so hopefully it turns out cute. So I'm just gonna be going back and forth till everything looks blended. So far, you guys, the shadow is blending really nicely. Beauty Creations, I feel like it's such a good underrated brand. I can definitely see them going into Ulta or even Target, but I feel like in Ulta it will look really cute. And I can just imagine the display already. I know you can get it in some stores. I think I've seen Beauty Creations in like a jewelry box store. I don't know if you guys have that where you live, but we have that. It's like $1 jewelry. It's a really nice store. Oh, and by the way, you guys, I did order the new BH Cosmetics X Alondra and Elsie palette, or I bought the whole collection. I went into the store and then I also ordered it online as well. So I might be doing a little giveaway when I do upload that video. I think I'm going to be giving away the shadow, so stay tuned for that video. But let me know if any makeup looks I should do with that palette, because I still don't know what to do. I don't know if I should do a blue look or a red look, so please let me know in the comments below. And then I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna go in with Drip, which is this really pretty blue shade. It's like a dark navy with some shimmer, and I'm gonna go in with the number 8 brush. This is the Nazanin collection brush set. I think it's sold out already. Maybe they'll restock, I'm not too sure, but it's really good. Ever since I bought it, I've been using them and I really like it. So I'm just gonna be packing it in right here. So you guys can see this is really pigmented. So I'm just gonna take my time so it doesn't get too messy, and then it'll be really hard to blend out. So with darker shades, you wanna make sure you pack it in and then blend out later, because if not, va a ser un revolú. Basically grabbing this Sephora, it's called the Precise Crease Brush. I think it's like $8. It's a really nice brush. So all I'm doing is pretty much packing it in. This has absolutely no shadow, by the way, so I just pack it in and then I blend it out at the same time, because if you just go like that, you're gonna take all the pigment away. So you want to kind of like pack it in while still doing little like blending motions, if that makes sense. So just remember, go little by little. Never just go like that, because then you'll have like nothing left. You can leave it like this, which is a really nice smoky matte eye, but I am going to be going in with the shade Pisces, which is this really pretty dual chrome purplish blue. There's like glitter in it. It's beautiful. So I'm just going to grab it with my finger. Look how pigmented that is. And I'm just gonna be packing this in here on the center of my eye. Wow, this is a really pretty shade. It's like a pretty dual chrome. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's really pretty. So I went ahead and added a little bit of my Pixie spray into my brush, and it made everything look like 10 times more pigmented, and I feel like it looks prettier. This is a good night out makeup. So I'm just gonna take a blending brush again and just blend out here the corners. There is some fallout on my face, which is why it's always good to do your eyes first. I'm gonna be taking a makeup remover wipe before I move on to apply my lashes. For lashes, I did get their lashes from the collection. Beauty Creations, you guys, have amazing, affordable foaming lashes, but that look like they're really expensive. So let me clean out my face. And then for lashes, you guys, I did pick up some of their lashes. So they had another style, which I feel like for my eye it would be like too like huge because I don't have like the biggest eyes. So I went with the Brianna lashes, and this is the packaging. Really pretty. I think these are like $12. I do think they're sold out though. Let me see. Yeah, they say right. Oh no, they're only $8, but they are sold out. The other ones are in stock, and the palette, by the way, is $17. So it is a little bit more expensive, but the quality, I really like the way it's like blending out. And you can always find a coupon code. So I'm just gonna wait for that to get tacky, and while I wait for that, I'm gonna move on to my face. My skin isn't as dry as it was before. Like over the weekend, it was so dry, you guys, because it's been snowing here in Texas, and you guys know we don't really get snow like that, and it was snowing and it was horrible. You guys know I do not like snow. I like it from the TV. I like looking at it, but far away from me. So it's been really bad. It's been worse in other parts in Texas. Here in El Paso, it's not that bad, thankfully, but I really hope you guys are staying safe, and you know, I hope everybody's staying safe, because things are so bad at the moment, or at least when I'm filming this video. And by the way, I'm going in with the Dr. Synovia Clear Complexion, the moisturizer. I told you guys about this. It's great for acne prone skin. So I'm just gonna add that. But I think the weather just made my skin look so horrible. And you know, the weather, you guys know I do not like when it gets dark outside. I feel like I just get super lazy and it makes me sad. I just hate it. But the sun is coming out little by little. It's kind of sunny today. It's mostly like cloudy, and the weather is 52 right now, so it isn't that bad. For foundation today, I finally have the Morphe foundation. I was gonna look it up here in the Ulta app, but I think the packaging tells me exactly what it's supposed to do. So I've been getting a lot of requests to do a review, but I just knew I was gonna do this get ready with me, so I figured I will try it here with you guys. So this is the new Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. It claims to be a medium to full coverage foundation, and this has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and glycerin, which is supposed to be a hydrator for a healthy looking glow. It is a long wearing, oil-free, natural finish foundation that hydrates skin but blurs imperfections for the ultimate soft focus look. I believe this is also fragrance free, if I'm not mistaken. So I did buy 3 shades in the perfect shade for me, in my opinion. It's the shade medium 16. The tan 17, I think that's the name of it. It's a little bit too dark for me because it dries down to like a more darker shade. I do feel like this foundation oxidizes, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if my lashes are ready before I apply my foundation, because then they'll dry on me. Yeah, I feel like these lashes are perfect. Ooh, these do not look like $8 lashes. I'm just gonna wait for this to get a little bit more tacky, and I'm gonna move on to foundation. Ooh, I almost forgot to apply primer. I'm gonna take my Mint Melt by e.l.f., the cooling primer. I look so weird, you guys, with one lash and then no lash on the other. The more I smell it, the more I like the scent. So I'm just gonna wait for that to get tacky. And then now I'm gonna apply my foundation. So like I said, medium 16 matches me the best. And this is what it looks like. It's definitely a thicker foundation. Oop. And then I'm just gonna apply it. It does come with the brush, which I got it for free. I don't think you can get it for free anymore. But when you first bought the foundation, they had it like right next to it for free. So this is the Morphe E63 brush. And in my opinion, this foundation definitely does oxidize. So I'm just gonna apply just a little bit more right here on my cheeks. And then for this other eye, I'm just gonna blend it out with my sponge, so we can see, you know, the difference with the brush and then with the sponge. I believe the face for this foundation was Makeup Shayla. and she looks absolutely beautiful and glowing and just like so like beautiful. And I feel like this foundation definitely does that for your skin. Like, it's kind of weird. I feel like it does blur the skin and makes it look really like flawless and really pretty. But this color is the best one for me. So if you guys are my foundation twins, medium 16 is our shade. The other one will be too dark. I'm probably gonna be wearing this makeup all day because I am gonna go and keep painting my room. I also have homework today, so I'll leave in the description box how it wears throughout the day. You guys, I've been having so many tests and so much like homework to do because I'm taking so many classes at once, and it's like so frustrating. I am in my senior year. I finally made it to my senior year, and it's definitely a lot more work. That's the best way I can describe senior year. A lot of projects, especially doing it from home. I wish I could have just done it in class. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. Let me know what you guys have been up to. I feel like each week school just gets harder and harder. I'm actually really impressed with how my makeup looks like right now. I'm gonna take the brush. Ooh, the brush is gonna be perfect for blending it to my chest. I really like this brush. I do recommend it if you can get it for free, because I think retails for like $18, so that's a little bit expensive. Buying that and then the foundation, or the foundation's $20. I remembered because I did buy 3 of them to test out the color. But yeah, medium 16, it's definitely my match. It is the best match. The other one, I already went ahead and returned them to the store because it was too expensive to keep. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer. I'm gonna be going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear in the shade Cashew. This is like one of the best drugstore concealers. I like this one and the e.l.f. one. I feel like are like the best. So I'm just gonna apply this here and then go upwards right here. I feel like when you do like a smoky eye, it looks really pretty when it's you have like a bright under eye. I think my camera's gonna die in 4 minutes, so let me hurry up and do as much of my makeup as I can before my camera dies and I have to get up and fix it. And then super quickly for powder, I'm gonna be using the Cream Shop in the shade Brightening Banana. This is such a good, again, underrated powder. So I'm just gonna take my Camel sponge and I'm just gonna press it. And I did apply a little bit more because I do want that brighten up effect. Since I'm doing like a smoky eye, I feel like it just looks the best. And then for the rest of my face, I'm gonna be taking, I don't know where it's at, but I'm gonna be taking my LA Girl powder. It's right here in the shade Nude Beige. You guys know this is like my ride or die drugstore powder. It's one of the best and it's super affordable. I do like to go in with my powder and press this loose powder into the skin. I'll never go like that because then the coverage will just disappear. Okay, so I'm back. I just went ahead and changed my camera battery. I had no idea you could do that, you guys. I film my videos for like the 2-3 straight years without knowing. You can buy like separate batteries and you can just change them. So before, I would film my videos as fast as I can before the battery will die. And then I will also film with I will edit with Movie Maker, or not Movie Maker, no, the Microsoft one. I think it's called Microsoft Movie Maker. And that thing will die like every 20 minutes. Like my computer will just shut down. It will like freeze and then shut down. So I will always try to edit like before those 20 minutes and then save it. So when it dies, you know, I can just keep editing. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take my squad goals, and this one doesn't have a mirror, which is the only thing I don't like about it. But other than that, I feel like the colors are really pretty and the blush shades are like matte. I feel like this palette is definitely a bronzing palette that you can go in a couple of times. Like, you don't have to be scared and go like that and then, you know, be scared that it's too pigmented. No, you can, you know, mess it up. If that makes sense. You can be messy with it and it won't look messy on your face. Hopefully that makes sense. So the names are like very small, so I went with the shade MILF, and then I'm gonna go in with the shade Twinning, and I'm just gonna apply that right here. Ooh, this color, I think this color works better for my skin. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a smaller brush. This is the number 3. And I'm gonna go in with this shade called Ghost. And I'm just gonna apply it, going upwards. It's a really sheer like color. I feel like this has like some not shimmer, but it makes you look glowy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's not emphasizing my texture. Let me see how it looks like up close. Yeah, it's not emphasizing my texture at all. You guys, I think I really like this combination of the foundation, concealer, powder. I feel like everything is working out very, very nice, and everything looks like higher end. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my lower lash line. I'm gonna take the shade Let Me Live, and this is the Morphe M321. This is another good brush that I really like. I was supposed to do like a brush video and then I never do it. I'm like super indecisive, you guys. That's like one thing about me. I will overthink everything before I do it. Like, it's so annoying. Let me know if any of you guys are like that, so I don't feel so alone. But I overthink everything. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of drip, and I'm just gonna apply that as close as I can. I think this will look really cute with a brown eyeliner, so I'm just gonna use my ColourPop probably. Alright, so all I have to do next is apply my lip combo. So I'm super excited for this lip duos, like lip kits, and these are both, I believe, $12, and this is what they look like. Again, very luxury vibes from it, and they both come with an eyeliner, and then this one comes with a lipstick, and then this other one has a lip gloss and then a lip liner. And I'm noticing I pretty much did the exact same look, so that's what it looks like on her, and then this are like in smaller eyes. Looking at it, I think I'm gonna go and buy her lashes because I really like this whole collection, and now I want to get like extras of everything. Let me go ahead and compare them both. I think the lip gloss set, the liner, it's a little bit darker. Let me see. Oh no, this one's actually lighter. So the lip gloss set, it's a little bit lighter, and then this one's darker, which is perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. I am gonna go in with the lipstick set, and then this is the lipstick right here. There's a shade from Beauty Creations that I really like. I don't know the name, but I think I mentioned it in my lip combo video. So I'm just gonna blend this out with my finger. And then I'm gonna go in with this. It's like the most prettiest nude color. Like, it goes really good in my skin tone. I feel like it low-key smells like vanilla, but then it doesn't. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Maybe I'll add some gloss. I'm just gonna apply that right here. So I went ahead and finished my makeup. This is how everything looks like right here. I feel like it matches my shirt perfectly. This is from my outfit online again. That's what it looks like. But yeah, I really like this makeup look. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I highly recommend the whole collection. This palette right here, I would only recommend it in case you guys don't have like a bronzer and blush, because this is definitely not that pigmented. I feel like it's not gonna show up on darker skin tones than me, so it's like the only thing that I'm not like in love with it, but I do like it and I probably am gonna keep using it, but it's not super pigmented. Other than that, I feel like the lashes are a must, the lip kits are a must, and the shadow, it's really pretty. And then another favorite of mine, it's the foundation. I feel like medium 16 matches me perfectly. I love this brush for my body, and I really do feel like it makes your skin look super blurred out and really nice. But yeah guys, that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Expect a beauty haul coming your way, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.